Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a look at this Gustafson 12V RV satin nickel wall light with white acrylic light shade. Now, do you need to brighten up your hallway for those late night bathroom breaks or snack times? Or maybe you simply just want to upgrade the accent lighting near your furniture. This incandescent wall light is bright enough to light up your RV's walkway, bedroom, or other living space, and the included curved frosted white acrylic shade with the silver line design is going to soften that light so it's not too harsh. As you can see, I already have this connected to 12-volt power, and the light is very pleasing, and you can even see it relatively well with my studio lights on here. But to give you a better idea of the light that this gives off, I'm going to turn my studio lights off here and go for a wider view. And I think this really looks great, even just sitting here on my table. So I can only imagine how nice this light is going to look on a wall, especially in a darker place like your hallway. And not only is it going to give off a nice pleasing light, but it's also going to be very stylish as well, even when the light is turned off. This light does include two incandescent bulbs that provide this warm white light, and the incandescent bulb type is 912 or 921. Let me go ahead and zoom back in and turn my studio lights back on. I do want to show that this does include a integrated push button on the base that's going to turn the light off and on. So as you can see, it's very easy to use and going to be very convenient to access. But it can also be wired to an interior light switch. So I'm going to disconnect this from my power source here and just show you the back of this light. I didn't want to blind you too much while the light was on, showing you the back. So again, it comes with the integrated switch, but you can also wire this up to an interior light switch. This features a durable metal construction with this, one of my favorite finishes, a satin nickel finish. And this is going to be a bolt-on installation onto your interior wall. I do want to point out that hardware to mount this is not included. So if you don't already have something that would work with mounting this, that is something that you would have to pick up separately. So this is a two-wire design. The white wire is going to be your ground and the black wire is going to be your power. This is UL39U4 listed. So let me turn this light back around here and retrieve my ruler and just give you some overall measurements. Actually, let me turn this around here just real quick because it's going to be easier, I think, to give you the width. The overall width, we are sitting right at 7 inches. And then the overall height, we are sitting right at 10 inches tall. And then the overall depth, I think it's going to be easier to measure it this way. We are sitting right at about 2¼ inches deep. And then this mounting hole spacing from center to center, I measured that earlier, and that is going to be 6¾ inches center to center. Again, the voltage is 12-volt DC. Again, I'm a big fan of the look of this light, the light that it gives off, and that satin nickel finish. So I think if this meets the specs that you are looking for, this is going to be a great option for you to consider. Well, that's going to conclude our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.